Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. My name is John Anaviolore. So I'm you're right at online monthly income YouTube channel. So thank you for checking out on this channel. So if you are a new customer, sorry, a new visitor to my channel, I want to say thank you. And if you've been an old time subscriber, I want to say thank you very much. So I want to get straight into the info I have for you today. So I've been actually trailing on an offer, a course, a training that has been launched for over a week now, and the offer has actually been converting. I've been seeing a lot of testimonials, a lot of reviews online about the product. So I just decided to check it out, and then it has been fantastic as well. It has been fantastic. So what the product is just about is about affiliate marketing. Yes, if you are into affiliate marketing, you want to learn about affiliate marketing, you've been struggling to get conversion with affiliate marketing, you have been struggling just to get results with affiliate marketing. So this course is something I think I'm going to recommend for you, that you can check it out. Yes, you can go ahead and check out this course. It's going to help you. Now, this is not kind of a new method, a new strategy that you've worked. It's actually someone who just got new into this same industry, which is affiliate marketing, and then he generated over $300,000 in affiliate commissions. Affiliate commissions is all the profit is all to yourself. There's no deduction on anything, no deduction from the money you earn when you promote products and you earn commissions. All the commissions you earn, every penny is your own. You have to keep. So this guy James, not this guy, this is not James, this is Mark Barrett. I know this guy has been online for years, and the guy has been a real market have been following over the years. But this guy now is now kind of the one I'm not going to put like a JV manager, like someone putting out the products to the marketplace as the let me say the big figure behind the product. So there is another guy, what's his name? I think James. Yes, James is the one who actually did a case study, got our results, and then earned over 58k every single month. So you can see, so it's a new case study and training that reviews the little known breakout hack that's making James 58k monthly, and then how you can replicate this method. Now, it might not take you 20 minutes to replicate this method, but once you begin to use this method, you begin to get results. Yes, you begin to get results, and the kind of results, it might not be money instantly. Yes, because this is affiliate marketing. They will actually tell you about traffic methods. They will tell you about building your list. They will tell you about different things you need to put in place. So, and in fact, it cannot take you 20 minutes to do all that. So you need to set everything up. So even getting access to the course can take you 20 minutes before you consume the whole of the material. So at least if you take action, you follow it, you do everything step by step. Let's say in 3 days, 2 days, you have everything set up. You have your you have followed the instructions, and then you have everything set up. You can begin to get results. Maybe people get into your list, and then you begin to promote offer to them immediately, and then you begin to earn stuff. But they're going to show you now. They're not learning methods. Methods that are not going to work. It's a method that James himself, not this guy now, his partner that launched this product, a method, the exact thing he did to generate over 300k last year in 2020. Yes, 300k just only in affiliate marketing, affiliate promotion. He earned affiliate commissions on that 320k commission. So you're going to learn everything. Now, what they claim about this system, about this method, is it is evergreen. So the method you're going to learn inside here is evergreen. That is, you can set it up once, and then you can continue to use the this method to make profits over and over again. They say it's a failproof method for making money out of thin air, and it's perfect for newbies. So if you are just starting out, you are struggling, you have tried every means, you're not getting results, you can try out this breakout code 2.0 and then give it a try, and then start using their methods to also begin to make your own affiliate commission. And so you can see there is no making of videos required there. So normally you can see I'm trying to make YouTube video just to promote my affiliate products, this product. So you won't be needing that. So you won't need to do all that once you get access to this breakout code, which I'm actually reviewing to you right now. So it's a step-by-step video training that's going to reveal to you everything inside this course. And the best thing is this: so if you get this course and then you go through it, you are not satisfied, or it's just the claims are are false, and then something is something that you cannot actually achieve, yes, you can go ahead and request your money back. Yes, you can request for your money, and then you definitely get your money back. So there are testimonials right here. I don't actually really believe on all these kind of testimonials, but well, as they have it here already, so you can see all you need to do, you can spare 20 minutes, and then you begin to get results. So these are their own past results. Remember, these guys have been in affiliate marketing for years, so they can easily crank out all these results. So don't expect to just get in today and start getting these huge results as they are getting. No, it's not possible. It's never, well, it's possible, it's possible. There's a way you can do that. It's possible that you can start today and begin to get result like this. Is very, very possible. I know that. So but this method they're going to reveal to you, well, I don't know, I'm not sure you're going to get. Yes, if they say result like this is better, $600, but they're going to make as much as this in a day, I don't think so. In 7 days, well, it's going to be hard. But like I said earlier on, it's very possible. There are some things that you can do. I'm not going to mention that you can do and generate that kind of figure in a day. So let's get into let me see what I'm going to say about this offer is I think I found something that got me interesting. Okay, one of it is okay, this is the simple steps you can do once you get inside access to this training. Once you get a training, you're going to follow their process to find a profitable offer that you can promote, and will be very sure that yes, it's going to convert for you. And then you activate their traffic method. There's a traffic method they're going to let you on, that's going to help you get unlimited targeted traffic to your offer. And that's the goal of affiliate marketing. You need to have a targeted traffic that's going to convert for you anytime you mail or you promote products to your subscribers. So you can see the affiliate stars, they earn affiliate commissions over and over and over. They're this kind of guys, you can just send out an email and generate affiliate commissions within let me say 10 minutes, 20 minutes, they can generate over $500. So they're going to show you the same method that James have used to generate over 320k in affiliate commission. So there's a link under this video. Just click on that link under the video. It's going to bring you right here on this page. So you get access, you're able to pick up just click on any of the buttons on this page to pick up and you can see you're going to get 82% off. Yeah, once you buy through my link right here, you can see the time has actually gone 0, so the price might increase at any time. So go ahead and pick up this Breakout code 2.0. It's going to help you you follow the exact steps that James did. It's going to reveal everything to you live. You're going to log into his account and show you what he did, everything he did to get the results. 320k, it's big money for making that in 2020 when there was pandemic here and there all over the world. So imagine you getting access to a complete video case study that you can watch, learn, copy, and do the same thing, and you have access to their support and ask questions. I think it's a good decision if you buy this, and then you'll be able to define your path to making your own success with in affiliate marketing. So you can see you're going to get support, which is what I always check out for, because I always make sure I give support to my customers, and if I'm going to refer a product to anyone, there must be support. Yes, there must be support. So guys, go ahead and check out this Breakout code 2.0. It's a full case study how James generated over 50k every single month, and then 325k last year in 2020. And so you can use that method, learn his process, and begin to implement it in your own business. So they have bonuses for you. You're going to get license rights to promote. You're going to get license rights, and then you're going to get a new method that will get you hot buyers fast to your offers you're promoting. And then you also get a breakout code funnel, and I think you're going to get a number 4 bonus, which is a 3-day follow-up swipes. Yes, 3-day follow-up swipes. Now I also have a special bonus for you when you pick up this Breakout code 2.0. I'm going to include a link. Yes, a link to what's the name? I'm going to include a link for you to download over 30 days email swipes for making money online. So if you are building a list of people who are just getting to your list and your niche is making money online, I'm going to send you the same email swipes, email series, or let me say email sequence that you can plug into your autoresponder, so you begin to communicate with your subscribers over and over and over again. And even if you're promoting a product relating to make money online, this email sequence will be a good fit for you to share with the audience. So when you pick up Breakout Code 2.0, I'm going to include this 30 days. I mean, is it 30 days? No, it is 30 email swipes for 30 days, so you can plug into your autoresponder and use it. They are very powerful email swipes that you can use and then help you get better conversion with your marketing. So go ahead and pick up Breakout Code 2.0. You're going to save a lot of money on it, and to help you, to learn from this guy. This is the guy now. You can see James Fowler is the one who earned over 58k per month with affiliate marketing last year in 2020, generating over 320k in pure profit. And this guy is is a big boss. Guy has been crushing it years. And this guy is just new, just about, I think last year he came on board to Warrior Plus in 2020, and then he's already crushing it already. So go ahead and pick up this training. It's going to help you a lot because you're going to learn from someone who generated the money, huge figures, so you can learn the exact steps one after the other. And the thing is, you can ask questions. You ask questions once you're implementing it, you're not getting results. You can ask questions, and you can also tap on you can also build a relationship with a guy that can now assist you in one or two things online. So go ahead and pick up Breakout Code 2.0. Just click on the link under this video and then you get access. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and then you pick up Breakout Code 2.0. So if you have any question regards to this stuff or my bonus or any other thing, you can actually comment under this video, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. There's a link under this video. There's a link under this video to contact me to connect with me on Facebook. So you'll be able to connect with me right here. We'll connect together, and then I always get a lot of messages from people coming from my YouTube channel, so we discuss and talk and build a relationship and then share ideas. So I would want to connect with you as well. Connect with me, ask questions, or do anything. So make sure you go ahead and pick up this. It's going to help you if you have been struggling with affiliate marketing, or you get results a week, the next week nothing, a month nothing. It's hard for you to maintain that consistency. Get this course. Breakout Code 2.0 is a real deal. It's going to help you, to make a decent side income online. So everything here is real. I can tell you it's real, it's original, not the fake stuffs people usually do. So you can see, I think someone sending me a friend request now. So I always get kind of requests almost all the time. I get people following me. So ask questions. I'm going to assist you as well. And if you need anything, any help, any free stuff, I can also assist you. But make sure you get this training. It's going to help you, break through affiliate marketing and then earning affiliate commission. So if you are new to my channel, again, please, I will appreciate you if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel and go to my video section. You're going to see loads of value videos on Warrior Plus, product launching, affiliate marketing, making money online, different things that are going to help you make more profits online. So thank you for watching this video to the end. My name is John Anavirori. I want to appreciate you for hanging out, and I hope you pick up this Breakout Code 2.0. You can save a lot of money on this. So go ahead and pick up affiliate marketing Breakout Code 2.0 and you begin to get results with it. So thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.